So now I will show you the loyalty program module. So as what you can see here is the Pixalink dashboard. So in this dashboard, you can see all your summary of the system, including points, including the reservation, including the calendar. Okay, so for loyalty point, it's very simple to collect. As you can see, there is two modules here. One is the manually input system, and another one is a integrated transaction records. So let's talk about the simple one first. So this one, you just have to key in your customer phone number, and then you click next, and then you type in the amount they spent. Maybe they spent 60 ringgit, then you put 60. Okay, done. So once every transaction have done through your POS system, it will have the invoice number and the amount they spent. So with that, you can really click the dot and then put in your phone number, your customer phone number only. So the number of points will automatically record to this number. So once you click submit, so you can get the transaction already. Okay, so it has been recorded. So everything will go to your point history. So under the point history here, you actually can quickly edit it within the 15 minutes. If you type it wrongly or the staff accidentally click one more zero. So for example, this you still can change maybe 65. Yeah. So if after 15 minutes you still want to change, you have to change it manually on the manually deduction of point or adding more point to your customers. It depends on it's recorded less or more. Okay, so that will be another transaction already. So usually we recommend to do it under the same transaction to edit the within the 50 minutes. Okay, so for the rewards wise, there is a lot of functionality here. As you can see, for this one, you can maybe do a test voucher, and then these are the names and description you can put it in. So you may put like, okay, the description is worth 30 ringgit or worth 50 ringgit, something like that, and then for the description saying, hey, this is maybe a cheesecake that worth 30 ringgit, or maybe a free matcha ice cream worth 9 ringgit, something like that. Okay, so this one, everything you can customize. And then under here, which is the term and condition, you can select from our template, or you can customize it yourself. For example, you can just select a template and then change the description or the term and condition. Okay, once you're done with that, you can come into the configuration. You can click the active, so it means the voucher is active now. You can select a end date or a start date. If you want the voucher to be started maybe tomorrow, so you can select okay, this one started tomorrow. Okay, maybe you don't want to have a start date, you want to start it instantly, so you can leave the start date empty and then just select the end date. End date usually means like the expiry date of the voucher, but because different people get this voucher at a different time, so you may want to put a valid days after they done get the voucher. So this will not require an expiry date. It will become like, okay, once you get this voucher, you must use it within 7 days or 14 days. Okay, so this can be done as well, but at the same time, you also can put an expiry date on that as well. Okay, so let's put a 14 days valid day now, and then you can also like put how many points for them to redeem at the marketplace. So for example, you need 100 points to get this voucher at the marketplace. So this is redeemable in the customer portal, which means you can redeem under the marketplace. So all the items you set with this on, it will show under here. Okay. And then for the single redemption wise, it will be one person only can redeem one time for this voucher. So even if they have 200 points, they only can redeem one time. So if you disable this, it will be, if they have 200 points, they can redeem this voucher twice. So as long as they have the point to redeem, then you can let them redeem at the customer portal, so at the marketplace. So for this one, is a direct link for customer to access. It creates a unique link for you, and you can send it to your customers. Okay, so these are the automation we have here. So we also have a new customers. Should auto assign to a new customer. For example, this voucher, test voucher, you can act as a welcome gift for your customer. Okay, so this act as a welcome gift to your new customer. It will auto assign to your new customer. So whenever your new customer register, and then they will automatically get their my rewards. So it will automatically fall under here. Okay, for birthday also same. Birthday, whenever that month they're having their birthday, for example June they're having their birthday, so they will auto get the voucher as well. So it depends on you want to assign it on the birthday day, on that day directly, or you directly give them on that month. Okay, so these are the quantity you can give. Like for example, I want to give 2 on the whenever they are new customer, or I want to give 3 or 4 for their birthday. It's something like that. But for now, I just disable these 2. Okay. So after that, you can go into the media and really go into some of our templates, as well as you can do a customization for your voucher image. So it's just like a 1-to-1 ratio for that. So you can design your own coupon or voucher image and upload it here. Okay. For now, I will just use a icon for demonstration purpose. So I just create. Okay, after I create, it will go into my customer portal. So in this customer portal, it looks like this. Okay, so this is the desktop view, as you see. And then once you're in the mobile view, it's much smaller. Okay, so for now, let me log in. Let me get the. Once you go into here, you see this is the test voucher I created just now. So it will fall under the marketplace, and it won't fall under my rewards. Because my reward is what I have right now, and marketplace, it's I'm able to get. Okay, so whenever I have coin. So this is the front end of the customer view. Okay, this is the front end where all the customer can see whenever they have point, they can redeem this. So for now, let me redeem. So it will automatically go to my rewards, and my point is deducted. So these are the voucher just now I get. Okay, so let's go back to the back end. So in this back end, you can actually do a lot of customization. So for example, I can edit this. I can maybe edit the picture here, or maybe I just edit the color. For example, the button is a black color. Maybe my brand color will be an orange. So I can come back to here and change the primary color to maybe an orange, right? So I just click save here, and then when I go over here, it will directly change already. See, all orange. Okay, so let me change back so it's easier. And then I can go into features and enable and disable a lot of features that I don't want to use. And actually, I can put a referral cover here. So this is a referral cover. You can upload your own, or you use the default one. Okay, so once you have that, you need to enable your referral. So by default, it will be off, so it won't be seen here. But when it's on, it will be seen under this place. It will be fall under this profile here. You can click here, and then you get to see your eat and share. So you basically, the customer can see whatever they can redeem after getting to share to how many customers. Okay, so that's it for the referral. And then for the style, you can change your logo icon, and as well as all the cover, all the design you can see here, and it can be customizable. This is the newsfeed features. So what is the newsfeed feature? Basically, it's the newsfeed for customer to see your updates. So this is the updates you can set for your customer to see. So it's either you have promotion, or you have a PDF, or you have a menu for them to see. So it can be an internal navigation link, or an external link, or a pop-up. So these are the things that you can set by yourself using the newsfeed. So on this newsfeed, you actually can schedule a start date and that. So basically maybe on a certain period of day, maybe a Raya. So you can set the day of Raya and end at a certain day. So this kind of promotion, you can set it up yourself, so it will appear when the times come up. So for now, we have a lot of internal navigation you can set, and then you can also upload your own thumbnail. For example, I can upload this, and then I can say free prawn dishes. Okay, so I can maybe link to the orders, or maybe link to a reservation, and then I can just select, okay, I want to link to a private room calendar, and then I just create. So once you're created, it will auto appear when you refresh. You refresh the page. It will show under here. So this can be any design and link to anywhere you want. So if link to a reservation, you come to your reservation. Okay. So these are the things that you can play around with the newsfeed.
Okay, so for the referral configurations, it is this one, which is the share to more customer or refer a friend to get a voucher. So this one you can enable it for your customer to let them share to their friend. So these are the things that you can put your voucher in and then encourage them to help you to share and get more members for your loyalty system. So you can let them to open in WhatsApp and then send a certain message with the link. So whenever their friends click that link and register on your customer portal, it will get the data into your database. Okay, so these are the things that you can do here, and then all the configuration you can done underneath here. The image, the what's the vouchers they will get, and also how many points if they refer the friend, and then also like the gift lah, you can see, and then also you can give the invitee as well, which is the friend that is get referred by your customers. They will also get a voucher or rewards that you can select from here, and then how many points they will get if they refer by a friend. Okay, so these are the things you can do.